Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing some Ivy Park from Adidas that is Beyonce's collection. I am so excited. Let's dig in. I don't even know where to begin with this box. We have the box open. Okay, I don't know why I thought that was gonna be like a reveal. Like I thought it was gonna be like packaged a special way, but it's not, but that's okay.
All right, we are still unboxing. Still, it's like folded in a weird way. Okay, I get it. All right.
Oh my God. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna take you off the holder so you can see. Look at what I am looking at. Look at this jacket. Look at this bra. This is like the bralette. Oh my word. I can't even. Okay, so we have this bra. They only had size small left, and I think I'm a small based on the size chart. I don't know. I'm a 30, like a 36B to C, like 34C, 36B. So that's what the size chart said. It actually looks like it'll fit me. And then I feel like the bralette, maybe I should have gone to a medium, but I just stuck with the same size for that. And then this is insane. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Look at this jacket. Look at the sparkles. This is a sequin jacket. I'm so excited. I'm a little sad because when I ordered this, they no longer had the skirt because the skirt looks amazing. I was gonna say incredible and amazing at the same time. But holy moly. All right, we need to get these on ASAP. Here is the crop top. I do think the size small is perfect. It's very stretchy. It's like a ribbed material. There's no cup pads or anything, but it's just kind of like a thicker ribbed material. So it definitely provides coverage. You don't have to worry about anything showing through. I think the design is really cute. It's really pretty. There's definitely no like support. Like I wouldn't wear this to work out or anything because you're just kind of like hanging out. But it looks really cute. I was not able to snag any of the bottoms, so I don't have the leggings or the skirt, but I do have these Lululemon black and white leggings, so I thought it would kind of complete the look. Kind of has that houndstooth feel, although not quite. If you're curious, the back, the straps are not adjustable at all. That would be something. I think it would be nice if they were adjustable, but that's the back. So if, you know, for the price point, I think this was $55. I probably would have made it adjustable just so that if you do have a larger bust, you know, you could put the straps, give yourself a little bit more support. And it is kind of that wide strap, so you're not gonna get any like support from being a racerback or anything like that. But overall, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I think the quality is really good. I think it's really cute, and I could definitely see like for the summertime wearing this with like a little frilly skirt. I think that would be adorable too. This is the zip up bra. This one was $75. You do get a little more bang for your buck in terms of features. So it zips up the front and you can adjust the straps. So it has racerback straps adjustable here. And then the back is pretty simple racerback, but it's definitely way more supportive. So this I would consider like a true sports bra. For me, with my bust size, I would find that this is like very supportive. It's also maybe just like a tad small. I think I could have gone to the medium. It also was very difficult to put on. So one thing is to like hold the bottom of the zipper. Some of the Victoria's Secret bras that are styled like this have like a little hook or same with Fabletics. So you hook it and then you do the zip, but this didn't have anything like that to help you. So it took me a couple tries and like we're losing daylight out there. And I was like, oh my God, hurry up, what the heck? But I did get it up, and let's just zoom in. I mean, I don't think my girls have ever looked like that ever in my life. And that's probably because this is, I would say, like a size too small. I think the medium is more my size, just based on like how tight it's fitting right now. I can breathe, and it is later in the day. It's not first thing in the day. But yeah, I mean, they are doing their thing. But we're not getting like side boob or anything. And overall, like, I'm actually really surprised how much I like it. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm really pleasantly surprised. Like, considering how expensive some of these pieces are, I do feel like, considering it's like Beyonce, that it actually like is pretty legit for the price. And I think the pattern is adorable. Like, I just really, really like that houndstooth pattern. And then I just threw it on with this black skirt because I couldn't get the real skirt, just to kind of get the look. Okay, the reason we're all here, this amazing trench coat. This is just full of sequins. It's got that same houndstooth pattern. The interesting thing is this side has green and silver, and then this side has blue and silver. That is so cool. Like, I did not even notice that from the design online. This was $300, so kind of a pretty penny. But oh my gosh, this is a size medium. So I did go with the medium for this because it's a jacket. I thought you would want it to be bigger, but it is very oversized. I mean, I am wearing it over a mini skirt and a sports bra, so in real life, you'd probably want a little bit more room. So let's just check out the features while we're here. So we've got a pocket on this side. That's awesome. You do have 2 pockets on the outside like a normal trench coat should have. You have a belt. So this string, where does this come out? Over here. Okay. So you can definitely belt that in to kind of like cinch that waist in, and that really just, I hope I'm not scratching the mic too much. I'm sorry if I am. But that just really gives you more shape that way. I mean, hello, like this is so fabulous. This is amazing. Okay, in terms of closures, so it looks like there's 4 snaps. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yeah, like I would wanna bring that waist in. I don't know if you just leave this hanging. Ooh, it's kind of getting stuck. Maybe you just like loosely tie this. Yeah, so it's not like as hangy. And then like how amazing am I? Have you ever seen a more amazing trench coat? I mean, maybe Burberry, but like, I don't know if that can really compare. So, this was so fun. This was so different for me. I've never tried Ivy Park before, but I'm so glad I did because this is amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, have you ever tried Ivy Park? Do you own any of the collections like this one that just came out with all the houndstooth, or any of the ones before? I'm so curious to find out. Make sure you're subscribed for more activewear try-ons and those kind of things, and I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!